Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use TikTok text to speech. If you're using TikTok and you want to use text to speech on your videos, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your TikTok app here. Very first, I recommend you have to try to update your app because it's the latest version. It doesn't work on your TikTok app without updating. So I recommend you have to try to update your app. So open App Store and Play Store. Go for search for TikTok, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your TikTok app. If you find you just have to simply try to update your app. So after updating, you have to go back and just open your TikTok app or the wait for it until it's updating. So after updating, you just have to simply open your TikTok app and here just tap on this plus option. And now you just have to record a video, or you can also try to create or upload a video. So let's say I'm going to create or record a video here. Just keep long press on it, and it will start recording a video here. So you just have to record a video. So once you have done, just release that. Then tap on this done option. Now on this page, you can use text to speech. Just tap on this arrow option and then select text from here, and you have to enter text. So let's say I'm going to select. So just try to add text here. So once I've added text, you just have to tap on it and you'll get the option of text to speech. So you just have to tap on text to speech option here. Now just wait for loading.
Hi, how are
And here you can see that your text to speech has been now set it up. So just tap on this next option here and then tap on post, and your post will be shared on your Instagram profile. So in this way, you can easily use TikTok text to speech. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.